hours. No manual calculations or repetitive work. Number two, reduces errors. Built-in formulas ensure 100% accuracy. Number three, professional reports. Impress parents and stakeholders with clean, organized sheets. Number four, one-time payment. Buy once, no subscription, no hidden charges. Number five, offline operation. It works without internet, even in remote areas.
How to use repository builder. The first step is to duplicate the template. This is the template. You duplicate the template into the number of class you have in the school. This is the template. You select it and press Ctrl C to copy and press on the desktop and press Ctrl V to paste it. You can see this is a copy. Assume that we are preparing report for basic 5. Just name it as basic 5. So this is the report sheet for basic 5. Double click it to open it. So it has 3 pages as it was explained before. This is the report sheet page, this is the broadsheet page, and attendance register page. So let you start the you have to start the report from the attendance register page. So this is the third term. You change to the current term you are. Let's say this is first term. First term, change it to first term. First term. So 2024-2025, change it 2024/2025. So how to mark this attendance? Okay, before going to marking the attendance, this attendance register is assumed that we have 14 weeks for a term. Can say up to 14 weeks. Up to 14 weeks. So it also has present, total number of present, absent, total and percentage present. So we have marked all the learners to be present. P stands for present, A stands for absent, and H for holiday. You only change P to A if a learner is absent, or P to H if there is holiday on a particular day. Let's demonstrate it here. So this school is using 13 weeks for a term. That's why we don't have anything for the 14th week. So let's say Alabi Johnson is absent on 24th. So you can see the number of present before 57, absent 0, and total 57. And the total percentage present is 100%. Let's change it to A now. A, enter. You can see now. So the number of present has reduced, absent 1 and that's 90%. Let's change it to, let's mark for absent for that day as for the 25th again. You can see to make 2. So that's how to use attendance register. So all the names on this attendance register will be automatically transmitted onto the broadsheet page and report sheet page. Let's move to broadsheet page. On the broadsheet page, everything is also automated. So all the names from the attendance register will be transmitted onto this page. If you want to enter any name here, it will not accept it. You can see it will not accept it. So you have to enter the name from the attendance register. For confirmation, let's enter another name into this for confirmation on the broadsheet. Let's enter Ade Agbo. Agbo. Enter. And see Ade Agbo is here automatically. Ade Agbo is here automatically. You enter your class basic 5 term. So you enter we are on first term, enter you change it, first term. So and you change the section as well. So we assume that we have 19 subjects. We use maximum of 19 subjects for this for our template. Maximum of 19 subjects. If you don't want any subject, you will delete it. This for instance, like this verbal reasoning now, you can change it and it will automatically transmitted onto the Broadsheet page. You can if you don't need it, just delete it. You delete it, you delete it, you delete it. And make sure after deleting, make sure that you delete the score, CA and exam. Let's delete it. You see the total mark will automatically be deleted. Let's delete it. You can see. So any software you don't need, make sure that you delete the total CA and the total exam so that it will not affect your cumulative scores. So what you do is that just enter the score of the learner, let's say, and it will give you the total mark automatically. This is for mathematics. Alabi Johnson scores 20 in let's change it to maybe to 15. 15. You can see it has changed. 15 plus 48 is 63. So let's change this one to 30. 30 now. It's supposed to give us 61, the total score under English. You can see. So everything is automated. It's very, very simple to use. That's how you do for the remaining learners. So, and it will give you the total overall total mark automatically and the percentage score automatically. The attendance number of present, attendance present will be brought automatically from attendance register automatically. The number of subjects will also be calculated automatically. The gender, the gender will be brought from a attendance register automatically. So now this is a obtained class, obtained subject, obtained scores. You bring this one, you copy it from here. Copy it. Let's copy it from overall score. You copy it. Just select it and press Ctrl C. Ctrl C. Obtain. This is let's say this is for the first term. So this is for the first term, and you print and you paste it here. Ctrl V. You can see. So and you also copy the number of subjects from here. Copy the number of subjects you have here from here. So this is Ctrl C. Ctrl C, and you paste it and you paste them here. This is Ctrl V. That's number of subjects you have for under cumulative. So for the second term, you also copy the subject, obtained mark and the number of subjects. You copy them here, as well as for third term, if you are in third term, it will be first term, second term, and the third term, and you have the total, your total mark here, your total mark here. So and the next term begins and this class will be also automatically transmitted onto the report sheet. So this is rank. If you need position, this one is for position. position, it will automatically transmitted onto the report sheet. This teacher's comment, you enter your teacher's comment here, which will be automatically transmitted onto the report sheet page. We also have head teacher's comment. You also enter everything here. It will be entered onto the individual. We also have affective domain. Just enter it A, B, C, D based on the features being considered, honesty, politeness, and so on and so forth. So we also have a psychomotor. Just enter it, everything will be automatically transmitted onto the Broadsheet page. So another feature I want us to look at is a class size. Class size. So this class size will be automatically based on the what? Based on every learner that have scores. Look at it. It's only five learners that have scores. That's why you have class size to be five. Let me enter another scores here. You see that it changed to six now. Let's say this is scores 25 in the CA. You can see now the class size has automatically changed into six. That's how that one works. Now let's now go to report sheet page. On the report sheet page, all your report sheets they are ready automatically. You don't have to do any other work here. You don't have to do much work here. Everything will be brought here automatically. Brought here automatically. So the only thing you need to do here is to if you need to insert the picture, just right click it and change picture. This device. So I have my picture on the desktop. Let's let's open it. So this is my picture. Let's select it. Insert. You can see now. It has brought the picture like that. So the next thing is to convert our report sheet to PDF format. Individual learners. Okay, before going that, so this is a report sheet for Alabi Johnson, Olalekan. If you want to check the results for the other learners, just click on admission number. So number this Alabi Johnson is number one on the broadsheet. On the broadsheet is number one on the broadsheet. If you want to check for Ajayi Comfort Ajoke, just press admission number to be two. You can see Ajayi Comfort Ajoke, and you change the picture to Ajayi Comfort Ajoke. So as soon as you want to print the convert the picture to PDF, just go to your file, go to print, go to print. So is what fit it on one page. So you can see now. So now you select here and Microsoft point to PDF. So you can see it's on one page. Just select print. So let's save it on the desktop. So we are printing result for Ajari Comfort. Let's use Comfort to save it. Comfort to save it. Save. Now let's check the report sheet on the can see this is the Comfort. Open it. Wow. This is the report sheet. Very nice. Very nice. You can see from here you can print it if you wish. You can also send it to the parent through WhatsApp or PDF like this. So this is how to use report sheet builder. So thank you so much.
If this video is helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow educators so they can benefit too. And that is it. The automated school report sheet builder Excel template makes report preparation faster, neater, and stress-free. This is a one-time payment tool, no subscription, no hidden charges, and it works completely offline. Call or WhatsApp 070-655-73705. Other link is in the description below. Remember, technology should make your teaching easier and not harder. Thank you for watching.